Hi, in this video I will show you how to connect a PS5 controller with your Chromebook. So I have in here this document that can help us with this. So for the first method, we just need to connect it via Bluetooth. So need to make sure that your Chromebook has a Bluetooth. Ensure that this symbol actually appears on your Chromebook. If it does, it's actually an indication that your Chromebook has it. It's typically located on the taskbar. Now you can just put your PS5 controller in pairing mode. Press and hold the PS button, which is the PlayStation logo on the center, and then just click onto the create button, which is on the left of the touchpad, simultaneously for a few seconds. Then the light bar on the controller will start blinking blue, indicating it's in pairing mode with the Bluetooth. Now open the boot settings on your Chromebook. Then on the status area wherein you can see your Wi-Fi and battery icons, you can click on the Bluetooth icon and ensure the Bluetooth is turned on. And then in here, you just need to pair your computer or your controller. In the Bluetooth settings, look for the PS5 controller and it may show up as wireless controller as well. Click on it to pair, and once paired, the controller will stop blinking and stay lit. You can just test the connection. If there's something wrong, you can check it on your settings on your Chromebook to confirm that the controller is recognized. So for the second method, you can connect it by a USB-C cable. You can use a USB-C to USB-A or USB-C to USB-C cable depending on your Chromebook's ports and plug it into the PS5 controller. So here is an example of those plugs right here. Connect the other end to the Chromebook and then plug the other end onto the PS5. Check if the Chromebook recognizes the controller, and once it's connected, there's no need for additional driver, and then just test the controller if it actually helps. So here's some troubleshooting tips. If your controller is not connecting, you can try to restart your Chromebook and reconnecting the controller. If your Bluetooth is not working, make sure that your Chromebook's Bluetooth drivers are updated. If it's lagging or unresponsive, you may use a wired connection for better performance. Now you're all set to use your PS5 controller on your Chromebook. If you have any questions, you can comment them down below and we'll try our best to answer.